In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI for language learning 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Otter to practice speaking, review your pronunciation, and track your progress in a simple, repeatable way. First, open your browser and go to otter.ai. You can also use the mobile app if you prefer, but a laptop with a built-in mic works great. Once the site loads, sign up if you're new or log in if you already have an account. Make sure your microphone is connected and that your browser or app has permission to use it. A quick mic test now saves frustration later. Before you record, set your language preference. English generally produces the most accurate transcripts in Otter. Choose English for the interface and captions to get the clearest text feedback, even if you plan to practice your target language out loud. You can still speak any language you're learning. Just keep in mind, transcript accuracy may vary, which can actually highlight pronunciation areas to improve. Now it's time to practice speaking. Decide what you'll say ahead of time to keep your session focused. You might pick a short paragraph from a graded reader, a dialogue from your textbook, or a simple topic like introducing yourself or describing your day. Short focus segments make it easier to spot patterns and build confidence. Click record to start your session. If you see a prompt asking for mic access, allow it. Give yourself a beat of silence so Otter can catch the room tone. Then begin. Read aloud your chosen text or speak extemporaneously on your topic. Aim for natural conversational delivery rather than a flat, robotic read. This helps you practice rhythm and intonation, which matter as much as individual sounds. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. Keep your mouth close to the microphone without touching it, and try to minimize background noise. If you stumble, just pause, reset, and continue. You don't need to start over. Imagine you're talking to a friendly listener and let your voice flow. When you're done, stop the recording. Give the transcript a moment to process. You'll see your words appear on screen, play your recording, and follow along with the transcript. Listen for sounds that feel tricky and notice any words that Otter misheard. Those often point to pronunciation or clarity you can refine. Replay short sections, shadow your own voice, and try the same passage again in a new recording to compare results over time. Keep sessions short and consistent, and you'll see steady improvement with Otter as your speaking coach.